Y'all, I'm out here in the dark working on this thing. I've come to the conclusion that it's either the battery or alternator. I can't find my voltmeter to check it, but that's my conclusion right now. I don't know how old the battery is. I haven't pulled it out yet, but it seems as soon as I unhook these, I get no power in the car. As soon as I hook these up to the charger, I have lights and everything. I'm trying to see if there's an expiration, how old this battery is. I tightened this one up because this was loose. Alright, yeah, so I had that coil, just this coil and the other coil unhooked. I'm gonna check these real good tomorrow to see what these look like, but I get some coolant, but I don't think it's the gas tank at all, but I'm gonna check the gas line tomorrow, see if any gas comes out of that, and gonna find a way to get this battery tested. Probably take it to like Advance or AutoZone or something like that, but that leaves me not being able to test the alternator. So that doesn't tell me if the alternator is the reason for the battery going bad, like killing the battery out. Get a new battery, it'll do it again. So we gotta just probably buy another voltmeter to test the battery ourselves and the alternator. Other than that, I'm not finding anything else right now. So I'll show you guys. So we got the door lights. The headlights I noticed were not coming on. Like, it's just the fog lights. The signal and everything is working in here, you guys. So we put the key in. We'll get the lights. Everything comes on. I got these off. Where's the button? See? So we got those off. The dimmer's off, but the same thing. You still get the same thing that, so that pretty much sucks right there, because we keep getting that same thing, and this thing's been charging for a while and it's still not getting any juice. So the alternator, I believe, is just killing the battery out. That sucks. I'll be happy just to hear this thing crank, you guys. So I went to Advance Auto and I bought some regular jumper cables. I couldn't find the other ones we had, so I have it hooked up to the Audi right now. So let's test this thing out, see if it's gonna start. Let's check it. Well, I'm gonna have to go on the other side. Hang on. I'm gonna climb over. Hang on, y'all, because it is wet over there. Alright, y'all, I had to climb over because I'm not walking through that big, I'll show y'all the big puddle. I got some sock sneakers on and I want to go right in my shoes. Here we go. Let's try it. Let's see. Okay, here we go. Nope, nothing. Still nothing. Huh. Let's try one more time. It's like crazy. It's like Still nothing. I bought an alternator, you guys. I just have to pick it up tomorrow. Try to pick it up tomorrow. I got a delivery in the morning, so I have to go a couple hours away, pick it up, come back a couple hours, drop it off. And this steering wheel, goddamn, who was sitting up here? Like, besides me, but I ain't moved this, I ain't changed the steering wheel. Let's bring that joint up. That's like right in my knees. Let's bring it up a little higher. Oh yeah, right there. Jeez, this is crazy. Jeez, this is crazy. I'm picking up a battery, like the same battery I got for the Sentra. I'm trying to be cheap. I'm gonna get a refurbished battery. What? Battery for this. I don't know. And I just left the key in there. Look at that joint down lock. That's gonna suck. Hold on. Let's jiggle these cables a little bit, y'all. Hang on, I gotta pause it because I got one hand. Hang on. Let's try it again. We'll give one more go. Then I'm just gonna change out the one hand. Hang on. Let's try it again. We'll give one more go. Yo! So if you have a bad alternator and a really old battery, it's best to replace both of them. So doing that, that's the only thing that I could think of. So I thought I would buy jumper cables and try to jump it from the car because I was thinking maybe my jumper wasn't doing it, but obviously neither one is doing it. So the alternator is just basically just shot. It's just like done, it needs to be replaced. So I replaced those and it still does the same thing. Then I need to go back and figure it out. And I can't imagine that it's the fuel pump doing that. So if you haven't already, hit the like button, give us a thumbs up and subscribe. So I'm trying to make up some time. I'm running late. Man up there, all the swerving and stuff. But I'll start recording again in a little bit. Just giving y'all a little bit of this beautiful scenery. Minus the construction cones. Get my phone in there. Oh, it's a G35. Weird, coming this direction or on this road, it's usually a lot of traffic, but it's no traffic. It's just smooth sailing. It's just smooth sailing. Usually it's traffic, and it's Friday, so usually it's heavy traffic. But with everything that's going on, obviously it's different. So different times right now, so no traffic. No traffic at all. We're about still over an hour away, where we're going to pick up the packages. So we'll keep it trucking. Get up off of here because don't want to get pulled over for having my phone in my hand. So I will come back to you guys. Yeah, there goes a 300 ZX right there. I love those. They need to paint it. It's black primer paint on it. that game. What the freaks? What's the game called? Days Gone. Then you see the end of the tunnel. And you see the light. Someone's like getting out. I guess at the end of the tunnel. It's so dark and creepy in there. Like, all of them saying that around. It's like, it's scary because like you get in an accident in there, it's dark in there. And then basically the whole, both lanes have to be blocked off because they got to get in there and try to get through people. Like, there's no other lane in the tunnel to get through. So, you know, it's kind of crazy. It's kind of crazy because it's like cars, they're trying to move cars and everything. So that's the part that's scary. Y'all gonna be going to these toast down here trying to get pulled over. Oh, Lord. I'm noticing a lot of people, this is the second one I've seen, are out buying cars. I've seen a lot of people pulling cars and they got a pickup truck, little old pickup trucks. It looks like it's an old Toyota. It looks like a maybe 92. I can't get up on it now, but there's a lot of people out here towing cars they just bought. Pretty dope. Pretty dope. Okay, so y'all, we are still over an hour, a little bit over an hour and a half away from what we're supposed to deliver. I gotta stop and get something to eat. I got my children with me. They have fallen asleep in the back, so just sitting here jamming to my music. But it's raining. It sucks. Just trying to get this packages there and get home. I'm tired. I haven't eaten anything yet this morning. I need coffee. I use the coffee real bad right now, and I still have to go stop and pick up the Alternator, so I guess I have to go grab that. Then I'm gonna go home. This mask I'm wearing is very uncomfortable, but I have to deal with it right now and just tough it out. It's making my face feel like it's like numb around where the mask is touching my face, so it's kind of annoying me. So I just ordered new masks that will be here soon. But yeah, you can't even see anything up here anymore. I like that right here. Yeah, look at this. I need one of these. What I need right there. Really live it up in there. Alright, so I'm gonna get off here because it's raining and I'm trying to be safe. I got my got the battery. It's in the back. I'm out here at the Dunkin' Donuts. If y'all can see, look at the line. I've been waiting here for a while. I finally just got up here. So, hold on. I'm gonna need both hands to get the battery. Let's pull this up though. I gotta take this other battery off, but before I do it, it usually has to be started. I was thinking I would check it, do the, you know, the test on it first, but let me see. I got this long sleeve coveralls on, so imagine I'm out here sweating. So yeah.